Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. So wanted to kind of talk to you guys about the Highlander. So I've had people ask this question before, and I actually have three really good examples to actually show you some answers here. So the roof racks on the Highlander, they're very easy to put on. They're pretty inexpensive too. I think they're like 300 bucks, but they're very easy to put on there. And you can see they kind of go into this rail, all right? So now if you want to put them on, you can put them on if they're not already on the vehicle, and I'll show you how they kind of go on here. So what you'll see is this right here, these little covers, and I'll look down on it a little bit. These covers will pop off, and you can see it's a set position. You can't like determine where you want them to go. They have to go there. But there have been times in the past where if you didn't have it on certain cars, if you don't have the racks, you can't put them on there, which is the base model Highlander, you can see does not have the roof rails. All right, so you see there's no roof rail up here, just like this one's got the silver one. There's no roof rail, but if you actually look, you'll see you still have that cover there. It's a different roof rack that goes in there, so you have to make sure you know which one you have, but it's a different roof rack because it's set up a little bit different, but you can still put that in there. So no matter which Highlander you have, if you want a roof rack, you can put it in there. But just wanted to show you the three different ways that you'll see it, whether or not it's coming with the roof rack, if it's already got it. If you want to add it to both of these, you can definitely do that. But that would cover every trim of your Toyota Highlander. So hope that helps you guys out. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. You guys have a great day. Bye.